Them still playing the same old ring games. But some of them doing so in French.
French?
Hmm?
I'm not aware of that, sir.
It's patois, the kind they speak in Haiti.
So, let me get this right. Tony not only in a funeral home and guns. He got in a Haitian business and joke this.
A brief was sent to all three of you. But it looks like you wash your own and hang it out.
You can send me no brief. If you want to send something, email or memo. That can work. But tell me something. You get a brief?
An email. Ah, boy. I'm going to hurry up and get Miss Brissett back in the island because you're distracted. This is the slowest I've ever seen you. Towing, coffins, funeral home, Haitians. You have me add it up for you?
So, Tony is now using Haitians as his suppliers.
Under the A line, 6.
Sir, about 20 Haitians coming in the country a month ago.
Under the B line, 7.
And not only that, based on what me hear, him also have suppliers in the US.
Under the C line, 12. Bingo! Tony has gone into business with Carlton. And it makes more profit if the property is cheap. So what he's doing is reducing the land values in his own inimitable fashion.
You said 20 odd Haitians came into the country.
Yep.
All of them accounted for up to now.
No. And them say 4 of them gone rogue.
I love to see when the light bulb goes off in your head. It's absolutely dazzling. It's like Tony, no? Tony does business in a very interesting way, you know. He likes to be the silent partner. But sooner or later, his partners go silent. As soon as he gets what he wants out of them, they go silent.
I mean, say a little while as long as him get what he need. Tony will try to get rid of them Haitian. 20 Haitian are whole heap to get rid of them.
But think about it. They're in construction. Sooner or later, they could become part of the foundations.
Sir, we can't allow that to happen.
No, can everybody buy a house over there? We have Haitian duppy all over the scheme.
But seriously, how we are going to address this?
We're going to have to approach this very carefully, very tactfully, and with common sense and patience. You hearing me, Mr. Savage? Remember this. If you shoot yourself in the foot, that's bad. But if your foot is in your mouth when you do it, that's suicide.
Hello, Roxy. You not hear from Angie? She not checking in? Nothing? Okay. Thanks. Angie, my girl away there.
So what you say? Tony have Haitian link and US link.
Based on the research.
So let me ask you something. That are the assignment to Angie gone pan. Mullins, you hear anything from Angie?